So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your account was compromised in Instagram in iPhone and Android. So guys, now in this video you can see also this type pop-up show in your Instagrams. It looks like you share your password with the service to help of you get more likes and followers, which goes against our Instagram community guidelines. Guys, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, please make sure follow the steps and easy to solve your problems. First question is how to create these problems on your account was compromised on your Instagrams. Now first one is like and follow actions made via the bot. Now second one is like date were purchased to make post appear more popular. Now third one reason is follower date were purchased in bulk to make account appear more popular. Now I will show you last reason for it is comment date were automatically made and posted via the bot. These four reasons too you can easily problem solve on your Instagram account. Now Instagram user second question is how to solve your account was compromised on Instagrams. So guys, please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. When this type pop-up show on your Instagram account, so guys simply tap on the change password. Now tap on the new password and you can easily fix your problems. Now second way is now again come back in home screens, open the Instagram and now you can see also right hand side bottom profile icon. Now simply press on right hand side corner 3 dots and tap on the settings. In settings scroll down and select the security. In security you can see also first option is password. So guys simply enter your correct password. Now tap on the new password and again re-enter password. This way too you can easily fix your problems. Now Instagram users third question is how to stop this type getting problem on my Instagrams. Now first one is give yourself break from the follow and like activity for the also at least 72 hours. Now second one is stop using apps and also bots that automate actions on your account. Now third one is also link your Instagram account with the Facebook. These 3 tips and tricks too you can easily fix your account was compromised in your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, this way too you can easily Instagram was compromised in your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment section. Thank you so much.